Email is the most popular feature of the Internet. Email enables us to electronically exchange messages with other Internet users wherever they may be. A computer, a modem or network connection, and an email address is needed for using an email. Email was one of the original features of the Internet, enabling scientists and researchers working on government-sponsored projects to communicate with their colleagues at other locations. Today, almost anyone who has an Internet account also has access to email. So theoretically, you can communicate with almost any Internet user in the world. This versatility has made email one of the most popular Internet services. Advantages of email. The email system is nearly universal because anyone who can access the Internet has an email address. Email is extremely fast. You can receive a message in a matter of a second after it has been sent, irrespective of the geographic location of the sender and the recipient. You cannot find a better medium than an email to communicate. Email is convenient because you can send messages anytime during the day, and your recipient does not need to be at his or her computer or even connected to the Internet. You can send a message to a group of people free of cost, quickly and easily. You can send documents, graphics, sound files, or any file as an attachment along with your email. Email is very economical because you do not have to pay to send messages, no matter where in the world you send them. Email can also save you money because you can send a message instead of placing a long-distance phone call. This is the cheapest method for sending messages and takes very less time. This is the main reason that each year the number of email users increases. Email address. You can send email messages anywhere around the world if you have an email address. All email users have their own unique email addresses. The messages are sent to the correct recipient because of the uniqueness of the address. Parts of an email address. An email address is a combination of a username and a domain name that identifies the user so that he or she can receive messages. Your username is a unique combination of characters that identifies you, and it must differ from other usernames located on the same mail server. Your username is sometimes limited to 8 characters and is often a combination of your first and last names, such as the initial of your first name plus your last name. Domain name is separated into 2 parts by the period. The first part is the name of the service provider, such as Yahoo, Gmail, etc. The second part depicts the type of website. For example, .com means commercial, .gov means government, etc. The username and domain name, separated by the symbol, means @. An email address cannot use commas, spaces or brackets. Instead, hyphens and underscore can be used.